Look, you guys, I was out here letting my home decor stuff and my little gang people. Look, and it got away. I hope you guys caught it. Well, you can see right there. It was a bird out here fucking with my shit. You see, he done shitted on my shit. I'm out here letting my stuff dry. Yes. Y'all see that? Oh, y'all can see that good. Yeah. I'm out here sitting here letting my stuff dry, and here comes this baby bird. It got stuck. I hope you guys seen it before it flew away. I left my fucking phone in the car, so I had to go run to the car and get my phone to record it. But hey, maybe is this like good luck or something? It left its little feathers here. I'm mad about that. It's got shit on my shit. It look like that now, but when I clean it up and it's all the way dry, I'm gonna clean it up. But oh my goodness, I'm stepping on this one down here. But yeah, you guys. So like I told you guys on my other live, if you guys want to purchase any of the items and also my candles, go to houseofqueens.tv@gmail.com. Again, that's houseofqueens.tv@gmail.com if you'd like to make a purchase on my candles and some of my home decor. So I'm really gonna have to clean this up because you got shit right there and shit right there. But hey, is that good luck? I might just keep it like that, y'all, and be like a little souvenir. You know, the bird didn't pass away. It flew on by its business over here messing with my stuff. But anyways, you guys, I was like so amazed that it was a bird stuck on my stuff. But ain't that so pretty? The colors are so pretty. Look at the sun just glistening off the. Them I done. I have my chest. No, I mean yeah. I have my chessboard in the house. I didn't want to bring it outside. And I also have my mold for my domino box. But look at those colors together. Those are so pretty. Right? So like I said, when I fix it up, that's really pretty. You guys like that? I know. Alright. I hope you guys can see this one down here. These are really pretty too. I hope you guys can see those. And then my little alcohol thingies. But yeah, it was, who that? Who that in my house? It's the devil. The devil is not welcome here. Barbie, that's right. I don't know, you guys. It left its little feathers. A bird can't fly with one wing, right? But yeah, I'm just so happy how this turned out. Let me see. Yeah. When it dry, I can be able to wipe that off. And I'm really mad about that. I hope another one gets stuck. I didn't want my dogs to harm the bird. So, mm, yeah, I hope you guys, I really hope that you guys seen the little bird. But hey, here go the little feathers to confirmation. Ain't nobody got time to be sitting here trying to stick no damn feathers on no damn shit that I'm trying to fucking get dry. You know how some people are. But anyways, that's another story for another day. But how y'all doing today? Today is a nice, wonderful, beautiful day. And I hope everybody's being safe. They meditating, taking in a deep breaths. You let it hate them. Either or. Oh, you guys see my little orange tree? Well, half of the oranges is off of them because we've been eating them up. Eating them up. But yeah. So, there go my little chess piece. And then that's the domino box. And here goes. Oh, let me show you guys why I'm on here. Because I was not trying to come over here anyway. But since I'm here, look. I got some chicken wings. Some chicken wing candle. I'm going to set it up with a plate with some waffles. Did I put them in here? No. Okay, my mode waffle. Well, my mode is I don't feel like getting it out, but anyway. You like that? Is that cute? I should have did the gel to make it look like it's running. But anyway, so I wasn't planning on, filming right now anyways. I was just wanted to show you guys the bird that was stuck on my little thing I had out there. So since I'm here, I might as well, let's show y'all a little bit. But I had to get these chicken wing molds when I first seen them. I thought they were so cute. And here goes the mold for it. Little chicken wing mold. I just had to get that when I when I seen it. So when I plated it up, put it in a little cup or whatever, I'm gonna put it in with a chicken with waffles. So it's gonna be my chicken and waffle candle with some butter or some syrup, whatever. And that's what it's gonna be. I don't know if I want to do the gel or just have the butter melting, or should I put a gel melting butter? I don't know. I'm gonna test both of them just to see how they look and which one that looks the best. That's what I'm gonna go with. The soy wax or the gel wax. Yeah, the soy or the gel wax. But I really like that. And when I did that, so I said, okay, I'm going to do a chicken and waffle candle and see how that come out. Because, that waffle right there could be like a waffle cone, but